Hi. In this video, you'll learn how to make eye-catching embeds like this for your Discord server. Let's get started. We will be using webhooks for this purpose. First, open Discord and click on the channel where you want the embed to be. Then, go to Channel Settings. After that, click on Integrations on the left-hand side. Go to Webhook and create a new one. Make sure to add an image and name to the webhook. Then, click Save. Both the name and picture will display here after sending the webhook. After that, close the channel settings and go to the website linked in the description. Click Add Bot and add the bot to your server. After adding the bot, go to discohook.app. I will also link it in the video description. First of all, make sure to log into the website using your Discord account. To clear all the pre-existing text, click on Clear All. Click Add Webhook and choose your server in this manner. Then click Use near the webhook name. After that, the webhook will be selected. First, I will show some important things you must know when using Discohook. Let's start with adding mentions. You can mention a channel in your server by first clicking this keyboard icon and then clicking on the channel name like this. You will also be able to mention any of the roles on your server. Or you can mention members specifically. Let's move on to time. You can adjust the date and time. You also have many styles to choose from. Then the time will be converted to this format and will be presented like this. The other option is emojis. You can select any of the defaults like this. To add a custom emoji from your server, first go to your server and select the emoji. Then, add a backslash in front of the emoji and send it. After that, copy the text which is called the emoji ID. Then go back to Discohook and click on the plus icon. Paste the emoji ID over here and click Save. Now you know what all that means. Aside from that, to add hyperlinks, you must first add the text you want to appear inside square brackets and the link in round brackets. The normal Discord markdown can also be done on Discohook, so if you are interested in being mindful of it, I will link a video here that you can watch after this video. If you want to add special symbols, I will link a website in the description. You can copy and paste the symbol that you like. Under Message, under the Content section, you will be able to enter what to appear above the embed in your message. The preview will appear on the left. After the message is added, then it's time to add the embed. To do that, click Add and select Add Embed. An embed consists of 5 parts. First is Author. Under Name, I'm going to add the server name. Do not change the author URL. For the icon URL, I'll add the link to the server icon. If you need the link to a certain image, just upload it to a private channel on your server and copy the link. Then paste it on the website. Next is the body. This is the most important part of the embed. Here, you can add the title of the embed. A link can be added to the title if needed. This is useful if you have a guide on a separate website and want to link it. You can change the toggle color or the sidebar color like this. You can enter a specific hex code if you wish. The description can be added here. Pretty much everything under the title should be added here. fields are also very useful. You have to give the field a name and a value. They are basically like title and description. Multiple fields can be added. You can also have the fields inline so that they appear like this. In images, large image is the image that will appear at the bottom of the embed. If you want to design something like this, you can use a website like Canva or Photopea. Making the background transparent will also give a nice look to the image. The height should be 1/4 of its width. Thumbnails can also be added like this. They will appear here. It is not mandatory to add these, but makes the embed visually pleasing. Next, let's move on to the footer. It is the tiny text that appears at the bottom of the embed. You can add the text over here. A footer icon can also be added. The date and time at which the embed is made can be added as well. More than one embed can be added. Here you have the option to duplicate or delete an embed. You can also add another message. After you're done creating the embed, click on Send. Select the messages and click Send All. Go back to Discord and your webhook will have been sent to your server. Say you want to edit the webhook later. Well, all you have to do is copy the message link and go back to Discohook. First, make sure to clear all. Then click on Set Link and add the webhook. Select the webhook and paste the message link. Select Set Message Link if you want to change the existing message entirely. Thereafter, you will be able to edit the embed. To view the edited message, go back to Discord. Or by clicking Overwrite, you will be able to overwrite the message. To know how to add buttons and selection menus to the embed, watch part 2 of this video, which will be added to the end screen after being uploaded. So, I'll see you there.